The Spanish Army has officially begun using militarized Peugeot Landtrek vehicles, marking a pivotal advancement in its tactical mobility modernization efforts. The confirmation came during the FAINDEF 2025 Defense Expo in Madrid, where signage on the showcased vehicle indicated its operational deployment. According to available information, 25 vehicles have already been integrated into active service, with an objective to reach 500 units by year's end. This delivery marks the opening phase of a broader initiative to provide a total of 4,500 vehicles over a 4-year span, with a contractual clause allowing for a 2-year extension. The showcased Landtrek VMTT at the exhibition was specifically adapted by Iturri for display purposes. This Seville-based company was granted the €217.66 million contract in March 2024 to spearhead the transformation of the commercial Landtrek into a military-grade platform. This contract followed a competitive bidding process and was upheld by the Spanish judiciary despite a legal challenge lodged by rival bidder Technology and Security Developments, TSD, which had proposed a modified Ford Ranger for the same program. This vehicle modernization program aims to phase out legacy platforms like the Santana PS10 Enibol and the Nissan Patrol, both of which have faced increasing maintenance and reliability issues over their 2-decade service life. The Enibol, introduced in the mid-2000s, proved problematic over time, prompting the Ministry of Defense to seek a more versatile and modern solution. All militarization work is being performed in Spain, with Iturri operating from facilities in Sevilla and Orense. To ensure the project's success and meet delivery goals, the company is expanding its operational capacity and establishing logistical support centers in Alcalá de Henares and Iturri. The militarization process is thorough, vehicles are dismantled, reinforced, and rebuilt with tactical upgrades such as improved suspension, armored components, and equipment tailored for military applications. Variants include medical evacuation units, vehicle recovery platforms, personnel carriers, and cargo transport models. The 4x4 Landtrek units are equipped with features designed for combat support missions, including blackout lighting systems, reinforced exteriors, and advanced communications-ready setups. They are designed to be airlift-capable by aircraft like the A400M or air-transportable via helicopters and naval vessels, increasing strategic deployment options. The Landtrek is originally a mid-size pickup co-developed by Stellantis and China's Chang'an Automobile, and shares its design base with the Chang'an F70 and Fiat Titano. Although the vehicle is not marketed in Europe, it's produced across multiple continents, including facilities in China, Kenya, and Uruguay. The platform supports several engine configurations: a 1.9-liter diesel with 150 horsepower, a 2.4-liter gasoline variant with 210 horsepower, and 2 diesel options offering up to 200 horsepower. It can handle over 1 metric ton of payload and tow up to 3.5 tons, while offering 235 mm of ground clearance and water-fording depth of 600 mm. Off-road performance is enhanced by differential locks and descent control. Iturri's conversion introduces multiple military-specific features: blackout functionality, sensor signature reduction, and advanced filtration systems. Electrical rewiring ensures compatibility with diverse tactical equipment, while modular designs allow rapid field adaptation. Reinforcements include armored bumpers, winches, underbody protection, and modular mounts for gear or weaponry. The upgraded electronics system includes multiple voltage options and interfaces for GPS and radios. While the Spanish Army is the primary beneficiary, these vehicles will also be distributed to the Navy, the Guardia Civil, and the Air and Space Force. Their primary role is non-combat, personnel movement, training logistics, and administrative transport, although they are equipped for rapid deployment under adverse conditions. Their design allows deployment in overseas missions, including humanitarian and stabilization efforts in Latin America, Africa, and Asia. The projected lifecycle of each vehicle is 20 years, with a nationwide maintenance and tracking system ensuring consistent performance. Despite the platform's Chinese engineering roots, the project is largely domesticated in terms of industrial value. Over 70% of the manufacturing and assembly work is being conducted in Spain, with the aim of supporting local supply chains and reducing strategic dependencies. This approach mirrors procurement patterns seen in countries like France, where foreign vehicle platforms have been adopted for military use, sometimes sparking debate over national industrial policy. The Spanish Ministry of Defense defends the decision on the grounds of performance, life cycle cost efficiency, and industrial benefits for the Spanish economy. Access to globally produced spare parts and large-scale manufacturing were also considered assets in favor of the Landtrek. To meet its obligations, Iturri has invested €12 million in infrastructure improvements, a move expected to create 200 new jobs, both directly and through subcontractors. This acquisition is part of a broader effort to standardize and modernize Spain's military vehicle fleet with robust, interoperable systems. The program not only reflects a logistical upgrade but also represents a strategic push to maintain technological autonomy while meeting evolving operational needs.